Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off keyboard sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and find the general management. Okay, tap this. Here in general management, go to Samsung keyboard settings. In Samsung keyboard settings, you can see the keyboard layout and feedback. Okay, tap this. In keyboard layout and feedback, you can see the Keytap Feedback. Okay, go to this. And okay guys, here in Keytap Feedback, you can see the sounds, and on the right side you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the keyboard sounds of your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is turn on or switch on the switch button on the right side of these sounds. And that's it, we have successfully turned on the keyboard sounds. Okay, we can try it. And that's it, we have successfully turned on the keyboard sounds on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of these sounds to turn off. And okay guys, that's it, we have successfully turned on or off keyboard sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.